Gramps, why do billionaires buy sports teams that play like absolute shit?
Because they're not buying them to win, kid. They're buying them to dodge taxes.
Wait, what? How?
Sports teams are one of the best tax shelters on the planet. Let's say a billionaire buys an NBA team for $2 billion. First year, the team loses $50 million on paper.
That sounds terrible.
Terrible? That's the whole point. They write off those losses against their other income. Instant tax savings.
So losing money saves them money?
Exactly. But here's where it gets interesting. Most of those expenses, player salaries, operations, marketing, all paid through companies they already own.
Wait, so they're paying themselves?
Now you're getting it. The money goes out as expenses, tax deductible, then comes right back through their other businesses.
That's insane.
And while the team is losing money on paper, the franchise value is going up 15 to 20% every year.
So they're getting richer while looking poor?
Bingo. Then when they sell the team 10 years later, it's worth $4 billion. They just doubled their money.
Don't they pay taxes on that?
Capital gains tax, only 15%. If that was regular income, they'd pay 37%.
So they saved millions in taxes and doubled their money?
And the whole time, they got to sit courtside, look like a hero to the city, and write off the private jet to games as a business expense.
Damn, I need to get rich.
Focus on understanding the game first, kid. That's how you win it.